Hello my palefish friends. Today I'm going to help you to learn an old-fashioned English nursery rhyme. Now I have made some birds. Can you say bird? Bird. And when we have two, we have birds. Birds. In this nursery rhyme, they have a special name. They're called Dickie birds. And I have two little Dickie birds. And I've built a wall out of boxes. Okay. And the nursery rhyme goes like this. Actually, I might do it from the back. That looks better. Two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. You don't have to have Dickie birds to do that nursery rhyme. Okay? You can just use your fingers and you can say, two little Dickie birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. I hope you enjoy that nursery rhyme and I hope you can learn it. Maybe you can show me in a video that you make for yourself. Bye!